So, chala, welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadaiva classes. You are in standard 5 and this is the textbook of your AVS, Environmental Studies. Textbook of AVS Environmental Studies. And we are going to start your fourth lesson, that is Environmental Balance. We are going to start your fourth lesson. The name of the lesson is Environmental Balance. Chalo, let's see and what is there in the chapter. Let's see. So, you might have gone to a riverside or to a lake. गेलात का कधी? You might have gone. Then at there, what can you see? You can see there are various birds, fish, some animals, and different types of plants are there, right? So you can make a list of all the living things. You can make a list of all the living things you see there. If you do not know the names of any of the living things you see, make a note of them describing their shape, color, sound, shelter, etc. Or what can you do? Draw their pictures, count how many types of living birds things you see. See, even you see the picture. Hey, picture जर तुम्ही बघितलं ना, if you see picture, this picture, here are different types of things are there. खूप वेगळे different types of things आहे. You can see a rabbit, you can see grasses, small, you can see fishes. There is a frog, dog. There is a butterfly. There are birds flying. There are small plants, big smalls. You can see there are two oxen. Then there is a dog. You can see that there are some houses. Many things are there. So these are the things of the environment. हे कोणते things आहेत? They are the form of the environment. Now, if you see that there are different things in the environment, there are different things in the environment, and there that constitute your biodiversity. याला काय म्हणतो आपण? Biodiversity. That constitute biodiversity. So what is biodiversity? Here it is given. The variety we see in all living things that belong to a particular area is called the biodiversity of that place. समजलं? ठीक आहे. So बघा, animals are of different kind, that is known as the biodiversity. Plants चे पण वेगळे प्रकार आहेत. There are different kinds of plants, that is known as biodiversity, right? Getting? So the variety we see in all the living things that belong to a particular area is called as the biodiversity of that place, right? It is depending. आता biodiversity differs होते. Okay, it is different in different places. It is different in different places. Now, to study the biodiversity of a place, what the scientists make, बघा नीट लक्ष द्या. To study the biodiversity of a place, एखाद्या ठिकाणची biodiversity आपल्याला शिकायची आहे. तर काय करतात शास्त्रज्ञ? What the scientists do here now. What the scientists do? Scientists make a large number of observations. Scientists काय करतात? Observations करतात. खूप observations करतात ते. They make a large number of observations. ठीक आहे, निरीक्षण करतात, observation करतात. Then they make these observations in different conditions such as day and night, in different seasons, etc. आता हे ऑब्झर्वेशन त्यांनी काय करतात? एका सीझन मध्ये करत नाही. दे चेंज द सीझन चेंज करतात ऑब्झर्वेशन साठी. ओके, दे चेंज द सीझन बदलतात, रात्री करतात, दिवसा करतात. सो देर आर डिफरंट ऑब्झर्वेशन. ओके, दे डू द ऑब्झर्वेशन डिफरंट कंडिशन चेंज करतात. दिवसा करतात, सिमिलरली रात्री करतात. देन दे डिफरंट सीझन मध्ये, समर मध्ये करतात, विंटर मध्ये करतात, इन रेनी सीझन. Okay, so they change the condition. They change the condition. They observe in different places. Now, then they use special devices to make observations of living things that are found at great heights or depths, as well as of microorganisms. Observations of many special scientists are brought together and studied again only when all such efforts are made over a long period of time can we be sure of biodiversity of the place. We be sure biodiversity of the place. आता एक शास्त्रज्ञ करतात का नाही? They do, they collect the information or the observations done by various scientists, right? Various scientists. Now next thing is that what is environment? What do you mean by environment? Environment म्हणजे काय रे बाळांनो? बघा नीट लक्ष द्या. What do you mean by environment? Environment म्हणजे काय? What do you mean by environment? So the environment is what? The surroundings and the conditions in those surroundings which affect the life of organisms there and are together known as environment. समजलं? The surroundings, लक्षात घ्या, the surroundings and the conditions in those surroundings which affect the life of organism there are together known as environment. तिथली condition, organisms and the condition affects the organism, affects the life of the organism. समजलं? Example, what includes? It includes many components such as sunlight, air, water, soil, plants, and animals, right? So what are the components of environment? Sunlight आहे, air, water, soil, plants, and animals. In the animals, humans also आले. बरोबर? Humans are also considered in, they are also included in the animal. आपण पण animal मध्येच येतो. We are also animal. Then as well as living things and non-living things are dependent on each other. लक्षात घ्या. Living things and non-living things depend on each other. There is a lot of give and take as or interaction between them. तुम्ही बघा लास्ट इयर whenever you are in standard 4 ना, standard 4 मध्ये जे तुम्ही होते ना, you studied the lesson of EVS lesson number 2, the interrelationship between living things. Okay, हे तुम्ही शिकलेलं लास्ट इयरला. So there is a lot of give and take. There is a lot of give and take between uh, or interaction between them. So environmental science studies this interaction. हे interaction आपण studied करतो. So how the interaction? एक simple गोष्ट तुम्हाला सांगतो बघा. Example सांगतो तुम्हाला मी. So where we are, the environment we have seen. Now look at the pictures of the living and non-living things shown below and discuss the mutual relationship between the living organisms, between these various factors of the environment, right? आता बघा, you can say that there are different things shown in this picture. थोडा लहान करतो तुम्हाला तुमच्याकडे पिक्चर मला सगळं क्लिअर दिसला पाहिजे आपल्याला. तुम्ही जर मला मोठा करून तुमच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये मोठा करून पाहू शकता. माझ्याकडे तुम्हाला एका स्क्रीनवर दाखवायचं, थोडंसं लहान करावं चित्र मला. आय होप यू आर एबल टू सी द थिंग. ओके, नाव सी. आता बघा, what can you see? There are these are the there are different, they are related with each other. They are related with each other, right? They are related with each other. Now, this is non-living thing. Rain is there. झाड आहे बघा. Elephant is there. Chameleon सरडा तिथे आहे. There is a swan आहे. There is a lake वगैरे सगळं. So these are the things and they are dependent on each other. They are dependent on each other for various purposes. Now, they are dependent on. So you have a new term. तुम्हाला एक नवीन टर्म आहे, that is known as food chain. कोणती टर्म आहे बघा? Food chain. Okay, food chain म्हणजे अन्न साखळी. You have a new term that is food chain. So what is the food chain? See, this is sun. Because of the sun, काय होतं? There is a growth of the grass. गवत वाढतं, right? There is a growth of the grass. गवत वाढतं. Then on this grass, a grasshopper feeds. हा कोण आहे? नागतोडा. कोण आहे हा? नागतोडा आहे, grasshopper आहे. So on this grass, a grasshopper feeds. कोण जातो? Grasshopper खातो याला, right? But this grasshopper is eaten by bird or sparrow. ठीक आहे? This grasshopper is eaten by bird or a sparrow किंवा चिमणी. बरोबर? संचिता, आवाज बंद ठेवायचा. संचिता. Now, this sun, right? आवाज बंद ठेवायचा. संचिता. संचिता, मीच बंद करतो.
सर मी नाहीये.
संचिता, आवाज बंद ठेवायचा आहे. कोणाचा आवाज चालू आहे?
म्यूट करावं लागतं.
गुड, प्लीज. चला. So see the food chain तुम्हाला दिसली का? You got the food chain. Food chain, you got the food chain. Yes. See, so grasshopper. See, grasshopper grasshoppers eat grass and leaves. Birds eat grasshopper. So the birds eat grasshopper. This is the food chain. This is the food chain. याला आपण म्हणतो food chain, right? Now who eat birds? आता birds कोण खातं किंवा प्राणी काय आहे? So this is a cycle. बघा, ही काय चेन आहे. So there are several links. याच्यामध्ये काय links आहेत? So it is a food chain. There are several links in this chain. If links were to separate from each other, could they be called a chain? जर एखादी याच्यातून एखादून लिंक तुटली तर चेन म्हणून त्याला नाही. Even though each link is a complete object, it is joined by links before and after it. Therefore, if any link comes loose, the chain is broken. यात काय होतं, समजा मध्येच कोणतरी गॅप झालं, बरोबर, तर काय होतं, ही पूर्ण चेन काय होती, ब्रेक होऊन जाते. इट इज broken. It is broken. समजलं? So what happens in the first picture? We see the sun, some plants, and a grasshopper and a bird. They are all connected with each other. They are all connected with each other. Each of the component plants, grasshopper, bird is food for the next one. प्रत्येक गोष्ट दुसऱ्यासाठी अन्न आहे. प्रत्येक गोष्ट दुसऱ्यासाठी अन्न आहे. That is why we say that they form a chain. We say that they form a chain. एक chain तयार होते. Such a chain is called as food chain. याला काय म्हणतो आपण? Food chain. Each of these component is a link of a food chain. या प्रत्येक component काय म्हणतात? Link म्हणतात. Plant, grasshopper, bird. They are linked. They are a link. ते काय? They are links. And ते जेव्हा जोडले then that is known as food chain. त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? Food chain, अन्न साखळी. That is known as food chain or food chain किंवा अन्न साखळी. Now, you have shown, look at the picture. What is the deer's food? आता deer काय खातो? पालापाचोळा खातो, गवत खातो, वनस्पती खातो तो, right? Okay, it eats grass and vegetables. And what is the food for tiger? Tiger काय खातो? Tiger deer ला खातो, right? हा tiger कोणाला खातो? Deer ला खातो. So food काय फक्त deer खातो का नाही? It eats many different animals. तो hunt करतो, शिकार करतो, right? पण तो गवत खातो का? नाही. लक्षात, तो गवत खाणार नाही. The picture below shows another food chain, yet you have to guess the missing link in it and look at the first and the third pictures. Think of the connections between them and complete the chain. तुम्हाला complete करायचे chain. So what is given here? बघा. सो हिअर मध्ये काय ना तुम्हाला वर्म येणार. काय येणार? वर्म म्हणजे एखादा काय ना आपण त्याला म्हणतो गांडूळ वगैरे म्हणूया किंवा एखादा किडा म्हणूया, अळी वगैरे म्हणूया, राईट? ठीक आहे. बघा, पानावरती अळी खाते आणि त्या अळीला कोण खातं? औल खातो. कोण खातं? औल किंवा घुबड खातो. सो दिस इज द चेन अँड दिस इज द लेंथ. नाव you have given another बघा, in the nature. So what happens in nature? There are many food chains. If one of the links of a food chain or it becomes extinct, then what can be the extinct, can the food chain loss? Food chain मध्ये loss होईल का? You have to show that food chain मध्ये loss होईल का? Yes. So there is a lot of loss. कसा loss आहे? Okay. So what is a food web? Next thing is that one living thing can be a food or food for many things. आता if you consider here, आता इथे नीट बघा तुम्ही. तुम्हाला ब्लू कलर दाखवलंय इथे. मी पण ब्लू कलर वापरतो इथे. बघा, हियर सी, दिस इज व्हॉट? ग्रास और किंवा आपण म्हणूया की प्लांट्स. सो इट इज इटन बाय डियर. दे आर ऑल्सो इटन बाय grasshopper. They are also eaten by worms. Okay, they are also eaten by rabbits. Then आता जो डियर आहे, आता डियरला कोण खातं? फॉक्स पण खातो. या डियरला कोण खातं? लायन कॅन ऑल्सो एट. लायन सुद्धा खातो. नाव अळी. अळी कोण कोण खातं रे? चिमणी अळी खाते. आता लायन नुसतं डियर खातो का? नाही. इट कॅन ऑल्सो एट रॅबिट. रॅबिटला अजून हे सर्व खातात. गरुड खातात. इवन द माऊस इज इटन बाय स्नेक. स्नेक अजून हे पण खातो. कोण खातो? बेडकाला पण खातो. देन स्क्वेअर इज इटन बाय दिस ईगल. ओके. सो व्हॉट हॅपन्स, जर तुम्ही याच्यात नीट बघितलं, इफ यू सी दॅट इट इज अ वेब. एक वेब तयार झाली, जाळं तयार झालं. दिस इज नोन एज फूड वेब. बिकॉज आपण एकच पदार्थ खातो का? नाही. त्याचप्रमाणे द वन थिंग can be a food for the one living thing can be a part of a number of food chain. Let's show you that can be a part of number of food chains. That can be part of number of food chain. Next, we are going to study the food chain in plants. Food chain in plants, right? Food chain in plants. So we are going to see the most important food in food chain. Most important food in food chain is plants. काय तुमचं? Plants आहे. So every living thing gets its food from the environment. लक्षात घ्या. Every living thing get food from the environment. and many animals in the environment eat only plants. They eat only plants. They कसे असतात शाकाहारी असतात. They are vegetarian. Other animals eat the animals that live in the plant. They are carnivorous. त्याला मांसाहारी म्हणतात. But plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight using water and carbon dioxide from the air. Right? So it means that the plants are the main support of every food chain. सगळ्यात so कोणती food chain असेल, the food chain starts from the plant. The food chain starts from the plant. लक्षात घ्या. Now, see this is the way, and this is the way a plant make its food. What it does, plant काय करतो बघा. See, you water plant. तुम्ही प्लांटला पाणी देता. You water plant every day. आपण झाडाला पाणी देतो. Okay, you water plant. पाणी कुठे देतो आपण, झाडाच्या मुळाशी देतो असतो. Then what does, what this plant take carbon dioxide from the air. काय घेतो carbon dioxide? It takes carbon dioxide from the air in the presence of sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, what it does, it produces its own food. स्वतःचानं स्वतः तयार करतो. And what it gives out? It gives out oxygen. ठीक आहे, इट गिव्स आउट ऑक्सिजन. ऑक्सिजन कुठे देते, आपल्या शरीर, आपल्या बाहेर हवेमध्ये सोडतो. सो इट टेक्स कार्बन डायऑक्साइड इनसाइड अँड इट गिव्स आउट ऑक्सिजन आउटसाइड. समजतंय? अँड इन दिस वे दे प्रिपेअर देअर ओन फूड. इन दिस वे दे प्रिपेअर देअर ओन फूड. ही डायग्राम तुम्हाला काढायची आहे. दिस डायग्राम इज इम्पॉर्टंट. यू हॅव टू ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम. समजलं? गेटिंग? चलो. Now next thing is that environmental balance. So tomorrow we'll see environmental balance and I'll give you all the important I'll give you in question answers तुम्हाला उद्या मी देईल. ठीक आहे, समजतंय? So तुमचा लेसन उद्या कंप्लीट करून I'll give all the question answers to you.